My name is Bob-Manuel Udokwu. Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe, Chapter 19. The last big rains of the year were falling. It was the time for treading red earth with which to build walls. It was not done earlier because the rains were too heavy and would have washed away the heap of trodden earth. And it could not be done later because harvesting would soon set in. And after that, dry season. It was going to be a conquest last harvest in Mbanta. 7 wasted and weary years were last dragging to a close. Although he has prospered in his motherland, Okonkwo knew that he would have prospered even more in Umuofia, the land of his fathers, where men were bold and warlike. In these 7 years, he would have climbed the utmost height, and so he regretted every day of his exile. His mother's kinsmen had been very kind to him, and he was grateful, but that did not alter the fact. He had called the first child born to him in exile Neka, Mother is Supreme, out of politeness to his mother's kinsmen. For 2 years later, when a son was born, he called him Umuofia, begotten in the wilderness.